Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit VAT for a particular item. Please go to admin, items and navigate to service master and select the item that you want to edit. I'm going to select the first item, so which has the CPT code 4559F. Scroll down, you will be having an option called tax category where SR indicates 5% tax and ZR indicates 0% tax. I'm going to set SR, that is 5% tax for this particular item. In this case, this 5% tax will be reflected for this item in the invoice as well as in the medical records. I have saved this. Now let me show you how this tax category reflects in the invoice. Let me open an invoice for you. I'm going to select that item. So now we could see that the price of this item is the 100 dirhams and there is a 5% tax, so which is 4.76 dirhams. So this is how the tax category reflects in the invoice. Here we also have another option called Overwrite VAT. This option will help us to edit the tax category directly in the invoice or medical records. Once we enable this option, by default SR will be set as tax category where we will be able to change it in the invoice or medical records directly. For example, let me show you how it works in the invoice screen. So I'm going to enable this overwrite VAT toggle button. And let me open the invoice again for you. So this is how it will be reflected. We will be able to edit the tax category in the invoice. So this is how the override VAT option works and this is how you have to edit the tax category also. And thanks for watching. Bye.